Okay, hi everyone. Just a reminder, today is Monday, and I haven't been reminding you because, Inktober, I don't use my phone to go to Pattern Dash Collections because there's no really pattern to show you. But I forgot I was going to remind you guys, if this will ever load, that at pattern-collections.com, just at the website, there is no app. Remember, there's no app. That you can scroll down to the bottom of the main page. There's going to be the PayPal button. If you have an extra dollar or two that you want to donate to help keep this website running without any paid advertising, donating is the way to do it, okay? Just want to remind you. If you don't do it, you don't have money, you don't have time, that's cool. Ina's continuing to run this website all on her own. But if you do have a few extra bucks to spare, she would appreciate it. Flag is today's prompt. I'm actually thinking, I was trying to use up all these little squares, but I'm thinking I want a little more rectangular of a page today. And I was thinking, the first thing that came to mind, well, of course, the first thing that came to mind was my flag, where I live in the United States. But that's kind of been there, done that, right? We want to do something different. So I'm thinking, where'd my pencil go? Where's my pencil? Hello, pencil. Oh, way over there. Okay. I'm thinking of maybe indicating some kind of boardwalk or something with flags. Along them. And what kind of flags? I don't know. Like so. Some kind of scenery like that. I'm going to draw with blue today, just because I feel like it. This is like one big giant flagpole going upward, and you can't even see what's up there. Right? So here you would see maybe like so. It's going to come up a little bit. Maybe have one of those little classic little nobers on the end. something like that. And then they're like blowing in the breeze. So you see them in different angles. I think that one is like floppy. That one's not getting any wind. That one's getting a good flap. This one also kind of a good flap. The wind seems to be flipping more over here. That one's been flapped upwards. There we go. The wind is flapping because, you know, I live in a windy area. It flaps. Something like that. Something like that. I'm good with that. Am I doing patterns? No, I'm not. Is that okay? Yes, it is. You don't have to be stuck in one particular style. Yes, my channel is mostly about patterns. But you know what? Sometimes it's good to change it up a little bit. I tend to do that in October. Most of my Inktober's are not pattern based. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. Let's put a little shading here on our stuff. Whatever this is, some sort of boardwalk or something. It's got a little bit of texture to it, a little shadow. We use the same principles whether we're making patterns or just regular drawings of light and shadow and shading, and it's all the same, you know? And I just love to draw. It's one of my favorite things to do, to spend my time enjoying myself. I didn't do it this year, but one year I also participated in in 23 Faces. If you've not tried that challenge, that was fun, to draw 23 faces in September. That's a fun challenge. I didn't do it this year. No time. Wish I had a little bit more time in the day, but that's okay. Life is life. And I'm going to give these flags a little color. Nothing that means anything, just a little something. Give some life to my drawing here. Are they perfect? Absolutely not. There's some sort of random random colors. There we go. Give it a little bit of something. And I think I want a little sky. Lovely, happy, bright blue. There. And I think I want a brown or a gray or a soft green or something. Maybe this sort of soft mossy green down here. Maybe these flags have a little strip of grass that they're sitting in. I think I'm done. Once again, these are going to be quick and easy and not really anything to follow. Do your own thing. Make your own drawings based on the prompts. They don't have to be pattern based. That's you know, they can be, but they don't have to be. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next drawing. We're going to go hourglass on Wednesday, and then on Friday we're going to do robot. Next week, butterfly, flower garden, and a carousel. Just to give you guys a heads up as to what the prompts are, but you can read those yourself at pattern-collections.com under the September prompts. No, the August prompts. Yes, I'm doing August prompts in October, right? Yeah, I'm off. You know me, I'm off. But yes, pattern focus. Let me refresh my recollection. The September prompts will be next month in November. So the August prompts are in October. That's correct. Okay. That's what I'm doing. So look up the August prompts and you can find all the different suggestions. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.